back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find your exported videos on CapCut PC. So go to the exported bit here, and then this is where your videos will be exported to. So select the file button here, and then if you want to change where you want to export the video to, just select another folder, for instance like this one, or like this one, and then just press select folder, but I save mine here. And if you've already exported it and you're trying to find it, just select the folder button and select this bit right here. It's going to be different for everybody, but you're basically just going to copy this path. So right click copy, cancel, and cancel again. Go to your file explorer, and then here you're going to paste it and just press the enter button, and it's going to bring you to the folder where your video has been exported. Or if you've just exported your video like this, you can actually open up the folder as soon as it's done exporting, like here. It's like open folder, and your video is going to be here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!